pregnancy update. I like went to the bathroom and there was some blood.
He was saying, oh, I see the bleed, where it's coming from, and it's coming from your uterus.
Okay, we'll talk about it later.
Hello and welcome back to another vlog. You're probably wondering, why am I in a hotel room right now? So we're in San Francisco today because we are gonna go see Ali Wong, who's a comedian. If you guys don't know her, you should definitely check her out. She's on Netflix. And
so good.
She's so
I'm
funny.
rocking my leopard print. Y'all, you know, y'all, like, I'm into this leopard print right now, but Ali Wong, true leopard print mama. So
Yeah.
we're rocking my leopard print just for this show tonight.
I had to look at how many outfits? No, I'm just kidding. Two leopard print outfits. Too many decisions.
Wow.
But we are on our way. We're about to leave to go meet up some friends for the show, get some food, drinks, and before we do that, let me show you guys.
So we
Hold on. Okay.
I booked this room because it's not too, like, this hotel, because it's not too far from where we're gonna go, and I really want dim sum, so we're trying to get dim sum in the morning, and it's close to Chinatown. But we were not expecting this view at all.
Yeah, we walked in, we're just blown away.
Yeah, check this out. It's so
Check
pretty.
it out. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. You can see,
So that's the San Francisco Bay.
yes, the San Francisco Bay, the Coit Tower.
Coit Tower, there's a head. You can't see my finger pointing.
Oh, sorry.
Coit Tower.
There's the Coit Tower there.
And then, like, Little Italy's over here, St. Peter and Paul. The church is right
there.
And then beyond,
You,
over there, that's Sausalito.
yeah, and right here you can see, like,
And
Fisherman's Wharf.
You can see Alcatraz.
Barely, like, maybe I can zoom in, but Alcatraz is all the way back there on the water. If you guys don't know, San Francisco Bay Area, that used to be a prison.
So, we're about to do something that I don't even remember the last time I've done. Oh, I remember. I used to work at a visitor center in San Francisco, and the last time we rode a cable car, I had to ride the cable car as part of my training. And it was after my 22nd birthday, and I was hungover. Do not do that. Do not ride the cable car hungover. Now, I am 29 and pregnant, so we're gonna do that today. We see it coming. We're staying close to the cable car on California, because we're staying close to Chinatown. So this is like kind of the least popular of the cable car rides, so it shouldn't be hard to get on, I hope.
Hey guys, welcome back to another uncle segment. So I am here with the babies. And Zaya, where are we right now?
The 99 store.
No, we're not at the 99-cent store. Today Lola and I decided that we should...
Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, that's right, we're at Chuck E. Cheese. We're gonna take them to Chuck E. Cheese today. Leah, what game is this? You gotta shoot the aliens, right? You go, pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. What is it? What is it, hun? Paw Patrol. Is that your favorite one? No, you're gone? So when you're at Chuck E. Cheese, you know you always have to get the pizza.
No, you said 99.
I want to give you a surprise.
Zaya, do you like the pizza? Is it yummy? Leah, how's the pizza?
How's the pizza, Leah?
How's the pizza?
Chuck E. Cheese.
I know, Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Is it yummy? Yummy in your tummy? Yeah. Hi. It's gonna keep going. Guys, Zayana just won the jackpot on this game. Good job, babe. No? No? Okay, it's okay. Good job. High five. Yeah, dude, you got the jackpot.
vlog anywhere we went.
Yeah.
It
Well,
was like loud and dark and...
we went to a show and we couldn't even have our phone.
Yeah, and at Ali Wong, they don't allow your phones in there.
So you put
Or
your
like, so you
phone
put
in a
your phone
sleeve.
in a little sleeve that you carry.
Mhm.
So we obviously couldn't do anything on our phone. But the show was good.
It was
I thought
really
it was
good.
really funny.
I thought it was really funny.
The opener was really funny. I
Mhm.
really liked the opener.
Do you remember his name?
No, this is gonna sound...
Chang.
Yeah, I was like, I know. His friends think his name is Cheng. But
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Not Cheng.
It's Chen.
think
I
it's-
don't know.
I don't know.
Well,
I don't
I'll
know.
find out and we'll put it.
Really bad.
We'll put the information down below in the links.
Yeah, but it was really funny.
But afterwards, we went to the Tonga
Yeah, we
room.
went to Tonga Room. What I wanted
that
to
was
say
really
was
cool.
like we were trying to go there for happy hour. So they do happy hour like Wednesday to Friday from 5 to 7. But we got there at like 5:15 and the line was really long.
So long.
It was like a Disneyland wait.
It really was.
So we ended up eating sushi somewhere else. And then we went to the Tonga Room after
The show.
the show. And there was a $15 cover.
Yeah, because they had performers.
They had performers who we really liked.
Mhm.
We played a variety of music.
Yeah, so we stayed there for like 2 hours.
Yeah,
at
so, like,
least,
so
listening
we
to
stayed till
music.
the end because we were like, well, we paid to be here, so we might as well enjoy it and like stay.
I lost
So-
my voice, or not.
Yeah, same.
My voice is coarse.
So that was really fun.
Mhm.
So, and that's at the Fairmont
Yeah.
Hotel in San Francisco.
Mhm.
So, you know, if you want to check that out, another piece of Hawaii.
Seriously.
We always end up doing some sort of piece of island whenever we're with our friends. Check it out. It was our first time there. We always heard about it.
Very cool.
I wouldn't say it's somewhere like you would want to go all the time.
Well, they do have standing room bar. So
Well, I guess,
And
yeah.
you don't have to pay
'Cause we
copay for
ate.
that.
I wanted to eat something since I couldn't drink. So
So if you want to go for drinks and dancing.
really, I thought you did.
No,
It's a $15 cover, isn't it?
if you're sitting down.
Oh,
At a table.
You
Yeah.
learned something.
But yeah, check them out. I thought it was pretty cool. And
I couldn't try the drinks. So how are the drinks?
the drinks are really strong. So if they're on the little pricier end, but at the same time, if you had 2 drinks, you're like good. So I thought it was
ginger
worth.
ale.
I thought it was worth it. Good morning, guys. So we are now.
We look tired.
I know.
I even put on makeup so we look tired. But I feel tired.
Oh god,
But
and
we
it's cold.
I know, but we had to wake up early because we want to be home early enough to
Pick
pick
up the girls before lunch.
for lunch, but still do something here before we leave.
Yeah.
So we're in Chinatown right now. It's not far from where we're staying. We woke up,
Picked up some coffee.
picked up some coffee. We have our dim sum.
Woo! So
It's
excited.
really heavy.
Yes,
It's one
you got
bag.
a lot.
This is at least like a 12 to 15 pound bag, don't you think?
Yeah, oh yeah,
It's
definitely.
like really heavy. But the place that we got the dim sum from is called Good Mang.
Cold.
I'm pretty sure
Bakery.
it's called Good Mang Ko.
Yeah.
Jonathan thought it said kale. I'm
Yeah,
like,
like, no.
there's no Chinese place that says kale on the thing. It's just a quick like pick what you want kind of thing
And go.
and go. So we're gonna take this back to our hotel. Luckily, it's just like 2 blocks away to eat it.
But while we're in line, we saw the next door. There were some bags of chips on the wall.
It said Lay's, you never know, and Jonathan's like, what does that even mean?
Lay's, you never know.
He'll show you.
So here are the Lay's, cucumber flavor, the spicy hot pot. Oh, it says numb and spicy hot pot flavor, roasted chicken wings, and grilled squid flavor. I think we're gonna do this one, but it says numb. That's a little scary. So we're on our way back to the hotel, and we just found like all these red envelopes because Chinese New Year is next
I don't know if you
month.
guys know, Jonathan is half Chinese,
Yes.
so we do all the things.
We do celebrate Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year for that reason. And
And-
I've always asked him, I've always said, I want like cute red envelopes one year. But we never do it. His dad just gives us red envelopes from the bank or something.
Yeah, because they give them out for free.
Yeah. Oh, and there's Jasmine.
But we just
Wow.
found an Ariel one.
Wow.
Let's see.
Wow.
Yeah, that's amazing.
really cool.
Look at this. This dim sum here looks amazing. We got shrimp dumplings, pork dumplings, and the chive dumplings, along with some, this is for the girls, some hot dog buns, and then we also got sesame balls. We ended up getting 2 flavors of the chips, the numb and spicy hot pot flavor and the roasted chicken wing flavor. I can't wait. Oh, and Zoran, oh my goodness, it's already started on our favorite, which is the pork bun.
Oh my gosh, so excited for this. We go to a different dim sum, like quick dim sum spot in the Richmond district, which is like maybe like 3 miles from here in a different neighborhood. But since we're already close to Chinatown, we decided to just get here instead. And this is so fresh. It's still hot. What did you just eat?
Shumai.
We gotta have some of this. It's so good.
Really hot.
I don't think I've had a fresh one in the longest time.
It's focused. There you go. It's so good.
Anyway, we're gonna, after we eat, we're gonna leave to pick up the girls. We did want to do a little pregnancy update. As of now, okay, so 2 things. I'm not as far along as I thought I was, or as I thought we were.
Super early.
We announced super early. I thought, I mean, like, it's a week. It's like a week off. So.
But even still, we announced pretty early.
Like when I announced before, I thought I was 8 weeks.
Sorry, that was weird.
Yeah, the camera.
So the camera flipped out.
Anyway, what I was saying is when we announced before, I thought I was 8 weeks. And then when I had another doctor's appointment the following week, I had another doctor's appointment because when we had the first appointment at 8 weeks, the doctor and I both agreed that we think my due date might be off, but I thought it would have been like
sooner.
Ended up being a whole week later. So now I'm just like a whole week off. So it's mentally a little confusing, but whatever. So we announced like a whole week earlier than we thought we were at. Not a big deal. But then a few nights ago, this is the second update, I went, actually it was Christmas, it was the night of Christmas.
The night of Christmas.
I like went to the bathroom and there was some blood. And that's like the worst nightmare you could possibly get in any pregnant woman, especially in your first trimester. It's one of the reasons they say that you like don't want to announce till like maybe after the first trimester, but you know, really excited. So we announced anyway, but you know, we're doing this update and we're not like in tears or anything because everything is okay. Like everything was fine. There are actually many reasons there could be bleeding other than possibly a miscarriage. Like it's like something people don't talk about, but it's real. Like there are many women who actually have miscarriages, and I was mentally ready for all the possibilities. Like of course we didn't want that to be the case, and Jonathan was like so sure, like it's gonna be okay, like they're not telling you to rush to the hospital. I wasn't having any cramps, and that is like a big question the nurse on the phone and the doctor in person was asking me, because that really is like a big sign that you're gonna lose your baby. But it was not that. It was, I don't even remember what it was called, but something going on with my cervix. I don't remember medical words very well, but there was just some bleeding in my cervix, a lot of hormones when you're pregnant. So, and it stopped. And the doctor, like, when he checked, he was like, oh, good news. And like his face was instantly like, don't even have to worry anymore, like you're cool. And I was just like, okay, like with my legs open, like, okay, like I don't see what you see down there.
Well, at first he was like,
okay.
At first he was saying, oh, I see the bleed where it's coming from, and it's coming from your uterus. And at that point, I was like, oh, damn. Baby, you know.
Yeah, because the baby's in the uterus. But
no, he's like, we have good news.
And then he was like going in more, and he was like, oh, good news.
I know,
and I was just like, he's like, it's on your cervix. And he had to explain the anatomy, because the cervix is like before the uterus where the baby is. I even found a like diagram online to explain like what it is to me, because I was just like, what? But everything is fine. Baby was okay after
Doing
that.
the heartbeat.
He was like, do you want to listen to the baby's heartbeat? And I'm like, yeah. Like,
I want to make sure.
that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
So the baby is fine. You know, like, gave us a lot of peace of mind coming on our little staycation, that this wasn't a staycation to like bring our minds to a different place. It was still what it was meant to be, which was like have fun with our friends and then like, you know, have us time.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks.
We're gonna go back and pick up the girls.
Yeah. And we'll show you, we'll do the chip thing. Don't worry. We're not done yet.
We're gonna bring the chips back.
The chips are coming back because I want y'all
to see our reactions.
chips.
Hey, hello. Hi. Hi, baby. How are you? Huh? You gonna go get Lola? Hi, Zay. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? Is that a toy? Oh my, what are you doing? Putting it in my pocket? Wow, very cool. Okay.
You're gonna go get Lola.
Alright guys, so it is the next day because Zoran passes out so early. We had to shoot this the next day.
And my brother saw these yesterday, the chips. We're gonna try the chips. Before, here, you open this.
We
I
have,
saw them yesterday and I was like, okay fine, we'll try them with my brother. So my brother's here?
so we have the numb and spicy chicken wings.
Okay, let's do this
And, oh no,
one. Which one? Okay, let's not spicy first.
the numb and spicy
Oh, that
hot
smells
pot
good.
flavor, my bad.
This one hella
You're
good.
hella tall, bro.
That smells good.
Oh, you don't think that's ramen?
No.
Oh, but it's it smells like ramen.
That's what it
Smells
does.
like childhood.
It smells like, yeah, like instant ramen, like
Yeah,
hot,
instant ramen.
like
You know-
the one on the pot.
You know when like you're a little kid and you have like the little top ramen bags?
Yeah,
and
it
you
smells like the
crush
packet
it up.
and then you eat it.
Yeah, and then like you put the sauce.
That's exactly what that tastes like.
Swear to God.
So I kind of like it.
Why would I do?
And it's crinkly.
Why would I do that if I could just couple of ramen?
So I
put
guess
the seasoning?
in China they think their roasted chicken wing must taste like ramen chicken.
Tastes like chicken ramen. Like, did you guys ever like crush it up
You
and
just
then?
did
Oh, like raw though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
raw.
okay, yeah. I didn't do it that often, but
I did it all the time.
I did all the time too. That's probably hella bad for us.
Yeah.
okay, so that's for you guys.
Okay.
And this hot
I like
pot, the numb and spicy hot pot.
Yeah, it actually says
Numb and spicy.
numb and spicy. Yeah.
So you're telling me my taste buds are finna be
Oh,
numb?
these are kind of crinkly too. I like how they're both a different type of crinkle. Okay, your turn.
Spicy.
How spicy?
Smells like
Not
seafood.
It does.
6 or 7 spice, for me at least. I can tolerate.
Oh, this tastes exactly like a hot pot.
It does?
Yeah.
I don't know
You
how
don't
hot
taste
pot.
it? I can
Oh,
taste a hot pot.
okay, kind of.
It tastes like a hot pot, but
Oh.
also chipped.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
a dry hot pot.
Between the two, I like the hot pot better.
I don't want to do it.
Really? Okay, then I'm
Not much.
eating this
That's my
ramen chips by myself.
But we got this in San Francisco downtown, San Francisco Chinatown. So if you guys ever want to get
that
this,
crinkle.
feel free to go there and get that. Or I don't know if any other Asian
Or
markets
China,
have
I
this.
guess.
Yes. Or that.
Well, they have.
Yes,
characters.
yes.
Where?
Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like the video and subscribe if you guys are new. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.